According to recent reports, Valorant players have been facing an issue where the game crashes and shows a system error pop-up that says a critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated. It is making it impossible for many to play the game. Common troubleshooting steps such as restarting the game and logging in and out of your Riot Games account aren't helping either. Unfortunately, Riot Games is yet to comment on the matter, but luckily we stumbled across some workarounds that might help you resolve the issue. The first one requires users to launch the game with administrative privileges, which you can do by simply right-clicking the Valorant icon and selecting the Run as Administrator option. Others say that closing or uninstalling clipping apps like Blitz and Medal did the trick for them. If these don't work for you, try following the steps that are being shown on your screen for a potential workaround. This will help you change your Valorant game client's startup settings. Feel free to pause the video and read all the steps. We hope Riot Games takes a look at the problem and releases an update that fixes the issue at the earliest. We'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.